Today I wanted to talk about how to be fit and functional after 50. I'm going to be 72 in a month and a half, and I wish I knew the information that I'm about to dispense when I was 50, because I did not find this out until I was 58 years old. Although I was looking in the field of nutrition and so forth, and fitness, and what are the best foods to eat? I couldn't figure it out until I was 58 years old. And I can give you the answer in one word. To maintain your fitness over 50 into, who knows how long, 80s, 90s possibly. One thing is going to help you. The answer is fruit. That's right. Fruit is the answer. There are so many reasons why fruit is the answer. Number one, every cell in the body is fueled by simple sugars. Fruit is the most easily assimilated. It's loaded with simple sugars, but in the best form, with the water, with the fiber. So it's a slow releasing sugar. It's not like white table sugar that's, gives you that jolt and then brings you down. Fruit is slow burning. So it's such a good food. What else does fruit do? It cleanses us. It helps us repair. Fruit is number one on planet Earth for water, pure water that's been filtered. The water in fruit is the purest water on the planet. Your body can easily assimilate that water. Hydration is so important. Fiber, so important in fruit. It acts like a broom in your intestinal tract. It draws any toxins out of your body. It's just phenomenal food. Most of you know I'm a believer. And in the Bible, in Genesis 1:29, it says, Here I have given to you every seed-bearing plant that is on the entire earth, and every tree with seed-bearing fruit, let them serve as food for you. Our Creator knew exactly what we're designed for and what we do the best on. Simple fruits and vegetables, seed-bearing plants. Now, some people say, yeah, but the protein issue comes back. And as I mentioned in other videos, if you're still talking about protein, you have not read the data. We need very little protein. Actually, protein is the reason there's so much sickness today, so much diabetes, too much protein, kidney dialysis, heart disease, too much protein, cancer, too much protein. So the key is, the other angle you can look at, people say that, yeah, but when Noah came out of the ark, God said he could eat meat. Yes, he did. And, I'm not the food police. If you want to eat meat, go ahead. But I'm just saying the optimal food. That's why I'm here, to let you know the optimal food. If you really are concerned about your health and you want to get healthy and you want to stay fit and functional, you want to go towards plants. When God told Noah that he could eat meat, it was for survival. It was a secondary choice, because when he came out of that ark, there wasn't a lot of fruit-bearing trees or plants. The earth had been devastated. So he had to eat meat to survive. And I'm glad he did, because that's why we're here. But the thing is, it's not the optimal food. It was the second choice, not number one, not the choice or the food source that God gave us in the beginning. Does it still work the best, the fruit, even though we're far removed from the beginning of creation? Yes, it still works the best. So today I'm going to show you what allows me, as a 72-year-old, to still, today I had a lesson this morning and I've got another one today at 5 p.m. But I'm going to do a short workout, 3 sets, 3 exercises. These exercises are designed to keep you strong, but also functional because you're stretching. Stretching and working on your strength are the 2 most important things. Besides cardio is good too, right? But stretching and strength are going to help you tremendously as you age. So let's check out the workout. Okay, second exercise, simple hamstring stretch. Using a 20-pound kettlebell, it's going to help strengthen your hamstrings, your glutes, and your lower back. Okay, the last exercise, number 3, elephant walks. What you want to do is try and get your hands as close to the ground as possible. If you have to bend your knees, even if you want to put your hands flat on the ground, if you can do that. I'm not there yet, but I'll show you how they work. You're going to be pushing back the glutes and the hips. You're pushing them back to straighten the leg. Again, you're working the hamstrings. Elephant walks. So there you have it, a simple routine, 3 exercises, 3 to 5 sets. Like I said today, I'm just doing 3 and got to save some fuel. And what enables someone like me who had a lot of physical problems, a lot of joint problems at age 72 to do this? One word, fruit. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. So remember, the moral of the story, get out there and carb up and eat your fruit. And then you're going to have more energy. Less energy is being expended on digestion, giving you more energy to do some physical activity. Fruit cleanses, it repairs, and it rejuvenates. Please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, a like, post any questions or comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. All the best to your health success. Take care.